Hi beauties, welcome back to the channel. This is Priceless Clean Makeover, your one-stop beauty blog. So it's been long, guys, and I know a lot of people have missed me on this space. I've been unwell, and to the glory of God, I am feeling better and I'm back to work. I'm back to you guys. I've missed my family here. I hope you all are doing great. So on today's beauty tutorial edition, I will be showing you how I transformed this my dark skin client into a beautiful bride to be for her photo shoot. So guys, if you are new to the channel, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, thank you for stopping by. Please do not make it your last. Kindly subscribe, like, give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know what you think about this glam on the comment section. So guys, let's get right into this glam. It is tutorial and a beginner friendly tutorial. Sorry guys. So I've just carved her brows, and right now I am doing her skin prep. You saw when I used micellar water and a face wipe to thoroughly clean her skin, because that's the first step to do, to remove dirt and oil. Then after that, I apply my Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum to add luminance to the face, to illuminate the skin. As you can see, it's glowing. Then I blend it into the skin. You do that all over the face. And right here I am applying my salt cream moisturizer. These two are essential for skin prep because they will remove stress from the person's face and make the face pop up or brighten up more. And then skin prep also serves as a base for your makeup to sit on. So it is vital that you apply moisturizer, especially on the face, especially under the eye. Then after that, I apply my Adventure sweat block on the T-zone areas like the forehead, the brow areas, the bridge of the nose, cupid bow, and the jaw. The areas I'm applying it, that's the area to apply sweat block, making sure you avoid the under eye. Then after blending that in, I will apply my Stay Matte primer all over the face, except on the under eye, guys. No primer should come under the eye because it makes the makeup smog. So now after that, I will blend it in and then move over to the foundation matching and blending. So guys, have you all missed me? I really miss you guys. So this space have missed me so much, even my voiceover and all that. The sickness really got to me, but thank God I'm back on my feet now, and I'll be bringing more tutorials to your way. So right here I am applying my Vaseline lip balm to moisturize the lip. So here is the two foundations I'll be missing to match her skin. They are from V Beauty and Avo foundation company. So I am using the two, mixing them together to match her skin. It's vital that you use a foundation that matches the skin to blend in as your foundation. Then after that, I will first of all use my flat brush to spread the foundation one part at a time on the face, and then use my beauty sponge to damp them in accordingly. So this is vital that you blend one part at a time so as not to make mistake or blend too much. And when spraying, make sure that you apply little quantity of foundation, because it's just a foundation and you are still coming to blend in other products in the skin. So this is me using my damp beauty sponge to blend in the foundation into the skin. As you can see, the skin is skinning. It is not always easy to work on a dark skin person. In fact, working on a dark skin person makes you a pro, because that's the only way you can attest that you are really a makeup artist. So you make sure to get it right first by getting the correct foundation match that blends in with the person's skin. As you can see, the skin is skinning. So after blending that in, next thing I'll be doing is to fix the foundation with my hydrating spray and then move over to my makeup highlight. For that, I'll be using my 2 shade lighter pro concealer from my Spotless concealer collection, and then apply it on the 5 highlighted areas, which is the forehead, under the eye, bridge of the nose, cupid bow, and the jaw. And then I will blend in with my beauty sponge. If you are blending a makeup highlight, you make sure to blend light-handedly. You don't have to blend it too deep that the product you have applied will not be seen, or too light that you leave out harsh lines in between. So make sure you blend light-handedly. If you see the way I'm handling my beauty sponge, you will know that I am not holding it too tightly or too strongly on the face. I'm just damping light-handedly, that's the word. So I'll blend it in and then move over to blush application. Yes, if you notice, I did not do cheek contour because it's a dark skin person. It's not really necessary. For my blush, I'll be using my powder blush from CPD collection to apply on the cheek bone. So this is where to apply blush directly on the cheekbone and then work your way up to the brow line and then stop and do the same thing on the other side and then a little bit on the tip of the nose. That's how blush application works. So if you're a beginner, you will see this is very friendly. You don't need to rob a bank to get your makeup products. You can actually use Nigerian brands to fill in your makeup box or kit. So after blending in the blush, next thing I'll be doing is to do the nose contour the nose, and for that I'll be using 2 shade darker foundation from Avo collection to contour the nose. And to contour the nose properly, you have to start from where the brows begin. As you can see how I am sculpting it to really get the nose contour well. You don't have to do it in a slant or bent way so that the nose will still be standing. The goal is to snatch the nose, sculpt it so that it will accentuate. You understand? So I'll use my flat brush to do the cream contour and then blend in with my beauty sponge. After blending that in, I noticed that the under eye became a little bit darker, so I went back using the same 2 shade lighter pro concealer I used in highlighting the under eye to also re-highlight again. And then after that I will go over to baking and setting. So to bake, I'll be using my loose powder from Avo 24 hours to bake all my highlighted areas: the under eye, the forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid bow and the jaw. I'll bake them using my beauty sponge to make sure I damp it into the skin. To baking helps you to dry out the oil from the product you have liquid product you have applied. So that is the essence of baking, because the rule of makeup states that every liquid must be dry. That is why you have to bake and set. So I am baking and setting the areas I highlighted with a corresponding shade of loose powder from Avo collection, and then after that I will also use my powder brush to bake the rest of the face accordingly, maintaining shades like contour and highlight. Then after that I will also use my contour brush to also bake the nose contour, because I used a cream contour to contour the nose, so I need to also bake it to avoid creasing. So once that is done, I will spread the face again to make sure I am fixing the face properly so that everything will sit in. And after that, I will allow it to dry and then go back again to reset or set properly the under eye, and then do my reverse contour with the setting powder. I use Sacha Buttercup in the shade of yellow or banana, to set the under eye this time around. Then I did my reverse contour with it, accentuate the face, the cheek contour and the nose contour. After that, I'll be using my hair wash to arrange the brows so I can outline the brows. I will use it with my schoolie brush to arrange the brows as I am doing here, and then use my setting powder to damp out the creasing from the edge control. So after that, I'll be mixing 2 of my black and brown gel liners together to get a shade for her brows, and then this is me mixing it to outline her brows. I will outline the brows, lower and the upper line, and then fill the brows lightly because we are aiming at a natural look, and then conceal the brows. To conceal the brows, I'll be using the same mixture I use for my makeup highlights to highlight the brows too, so that everything will be the same, if you know what I mean. You don't have to use any other mixture for you not to make mistake. Then after highlighting the brows, I will blend that in, then bake the highlighted area, and then move over to eyeshadow application. So for you to highlight the brows or conceal the brows, it means you want to define the brows or correct any mistake you made while drawing the brows. So you make sure you do that in a way you don't add more mistake to the ones you have already made, if you understand. So do the same thing on the other side of the brows too, and then blend in and then bake. I'm using my Benyon Clan White eyeshadow primer for my eyeshadow base, and then blend that in seamlessly so as not to crease. And then after that, I will apply my eyeshadow. She wanted a blue natural look for her photo shoot outfit, and then giving that is what I am going to be giving her. So after blending that in, I use a darker shade from my powder palette to cut the crease and remove harsh line in between the brow highlight and the eyeshadow, and then apply the natural blue look combination. It's just a normal eyeshadow look. It's nothing much, it's not too complicated, it's something simple for my dark skin client. So if you have watched up to this point, kindly like, subscribe, please give video a thumbs up, and also let me know what you think so far on the comment section. Do you like the makeup? Would you be trying it? What do you think? Let me know, guys. So this is me tapping in the little blue she wanted for the eye look. So after the eyeshadow, I will be filling her waterline with my black Carrite gel liner, and then a flat brush to smudge it out, and then outline the eyelid properly. And then after that, I will apply thin layers of mascara to add volume, to her natural lash, and then apply her false lash. So just watch and see how it goes. So this lash palette I'm using is from Chair Lashes. Is a hair lash human blend, human hair, not synthetic. After fixing the both lashes, I will adjust them accordingly and then press them in to fit in with the natural lash. And then after that, I will move over to finishing. And then for my finishing, I'll be using this Bicham Edgeless in the shade of 3 to clear out the setting powders on the lip area so I can apply my lip stain. And then after that, I'll be applying the lip stain using my black Carrite gel liner and the Avo 33 lip stain, mixing them together to outline the lip. So here I'll be outlining the lip using this mixture I have mixed on my hand, and then I will use it to outline the upper lip and the lower lip. After outlining them, I will also use a baby pink Avo lip stain to highlight the lip, and then blend very well to make sure that I don't leave any harsh line in between. And then going to finishing the makeup properly. For that, I will still be using the same shade of finishing powder from Bicham Edgeless I am using. Then dust off the remaining setting powders under the eye, and then make sure that I blend in very well to avoid any harsh line anywhere or any loopholes or any discrepancy in the makeup. So after tapping and blending, you can see I am using different brushes to go on different corners of the face so as not to leave out harsh lines, or to achieve that even flawless look. So after blending evenly, I will spread the face to face the makeup entirely and then allow it to dry. After it dries, I will now apply my lip gloss. This lip gloss is Kiss Me More lip gloss, very sultry, very smooth. It makes the look so yummy. So I'm applying it on the lip to make the lip glow more. Then after applying the lip gloss, the next thing I'll be doing is to apply my Nyanga Glow by Candid. I will apply it on the jaw, the cheekbone, the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, the brow bone, the forehead, just to add little shine and warmth to the face, to add that finishing glow to the look. So guys, at this point, you can see the skin is skinning. We don't do Fanta face and cook leg in this place. Priceless Clean Makeover got you covered. If you have not booked us, you are sitting on a long ten. We also offer trainings. This is the right time to send us a DM on our Instagram pages, on Facebook pages as Priceless Clean Makeover Studio, and on TikTok as Priceless Clean Makeover Studio. I am also on Twitter. So anywhere you are on social media, just hit me up, chat me for your makeup bookings and for your bridals. So after applying this glow, I will also spray and then finish the makeup with is finishing spray. And so guys, I will be unveiling the final look. Guys, this makeup was given and my clients so love it. So please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Guys, you'll be doing me a lot of favor. I love you guys already, and I want you to also return my love and favor in return. Please guys, I am waiting. So this lock-in spray is my finishing spray. It's non-transferable, it's waterproof. I'll be using it to seal the entire makeup. O'Shea, it's glowing, glow baby glow. So after that, I arrange my client's hair and get her ready for her photo shoot. I can't wait to unveil. So let's show you guys the final look. And ta-da! Here is the final look, guys. What do you think about this look? Would you be trying it? How did I do, guys? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.